Going on, everyone? Welcome to the RabidMining YouTube channel. So I found this box at the neighbor's doorstep, and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna grab it, bring it home, and see what's inside of it. I'm just kidding. No, I haven't done an unboxing for quite some time now, and I did get a care package courtesy of GPURisers.com. So anything you do see here as I unbox whatever is inside of this thing, you can pick up at GPURisers.com, and coupon code RabidMining will grant 10% off your order. So let's see what exactly is inside of this box. Hold on, before I open this, I want to know what you guys think may be inside of this box. So I'm going to give you guys to the count of 10, wait a few seconds, pause the video, whatever, and then comment below what you think could potentially be inside of this. I'm going to check the comments later and see, exactly what you guys thought. So do that now, and then I'll begin opening. All right, guys, time is up. So I hope you guys did let me know what you thought was in this. So let's open it up and see exactly what we do have. All right, so what do we may or may not have in here? So, oh, I feel a box. I feel a box. I am opening it, and here we go. Gift number one. What is inside of this? All right, so I did cut this open because I did not want you guys to see my unworthy practices with a knife and potentially hurt myself. Never cut towards you. So we got a few things in here. This has some weight to it, that's for sure. This is definitely, I'm not sure what this is. We got some thermal pads, 2mm. A few packages here. So we got some 2mm thick thermal pads in here. Let's get that back inside here. Not sure if you guys can understand me too well or not with the OCTOMINER behind me, but should be all right. Fans are only 65%. We got another bag here with some weight, so it feels like the same thing. I am expecting some thermal pads though, so that's obviously what these are for my 3090. And these are 3mm, yeah, these are all 3mm here. And I think I need 1.5mm, and the other ones were 2. So I do not have the proper pads. I did read up that 2mm will work on the back plate of that 3090, but it is a Founders Edition. But let me know in the comments. I think I need 1.5 for at least the core side anyway, but we'll see. Moving on, we have some risers here. So these are the new risers with the fancy LED and everything on them. I do want to test risers actually out in the future here to see if, certain risers do use more power than other risers. So I think that would be an interesting test. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the 10 capacitor risers with the little voltmeter and stuff here. So awesome. We could utilize, say, those shunt modded A2000 or something on this. That should run a little safer. I did read that you don't need this. You can get away with 6, potentially even only 8 capacitors when running those shunt modded A2000s. But again, I don't really know. Obviously, more the merrier. And we also need, this little resistor here at 150. That's where all the money is. So it does look like we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 risers here. We got 6 risers, a nice 6x rig. And then we got some GPURisers.com 120mm fans. 2 boxes here, some fans. Let's have a look at these. We got a little shadow happening, so I apologize. Open these up. And I believe, don't want to be wrecking nothing. My unboxing skills, definitely not up to par. We need a little more practice here on the old RabidMining channel. So these are, these are these nice fancy ones. I believe Red Panda rolls with a bunch of these. They have the LEDs around the outside. They look really sharp and nice. So awesome. I can't wait to slap these onto something. So GPURisers is definitely getting into a lot of things. Originally, they started only making these risers. Now it looks like they got thermal pads. We got some fans here, and we got a couple more things in the box. So let's find out what else we got rolling on here. So we're just gonna close this up, move it out of the way. Oh, I feel another box. I feel another box. Here we go. We got another box right here. Another GPURisers, big orange box. I pre-cut this again because, again, my knife skills are probably horrible. And we got, looks like a whole bunch more fans. So 2, 4, 6, 8 fans here, plus the other 2. So we got 10 fans all together within these 2 boxes so far, so that's pretty sweet. Those fans will look sweet on something. All right, I believe there's one more item. Oh yes, there is. What is this? A big box with no label that I know of yet. Yes, there's no label on this, so I'll just slap this up here. And I'm gonna have to cut this open now. Okay, so I think I got it all opened up properly for the most part. And oh yes, there we go. We do have a mining frame, which makes sense for all of those fans. If I can get this out. Which frame is this? I believe this is that Big Daddy that Panda had the other day. So that's pretty sweet. A nice white mining frame. 12 GPUs, I believe, is what this thing can utilize. And it's supposed to have a lot better spacing than what we previously saw in something like this AAAWAVE frame. We got that 8 GPU Veta frame over there, which is not in use right now, but it has decent spacing, but I still wish it had more. So I'm definitely pumped to be checking out that one over there because I do hear good things about it in terms of GPU spacing. This one was too cramped together. This is a very nice frame, very fast and easy to put together. We'll see how it compares versus the new GPU mining frame that did some optimizations and tweaks. So that's going to be coming in a later video. Let me know what you guys do want to see in a later video. You want me to put that together, throw some GPUs or something in it? Do you want me to try to do my 3090 thermal pad things? But again, I don't know if I have the right ones. But yeah, that is awesome. I cannot wait to put this thing together and just see how well it is put together, the build quality and everything, and get them fans on it, because a nice solid white frame with those nice white fans, I think it's going to look pretty amazing when it's complete. Well, that pretty much does sum up this video. You know, basement update. I got all my GPUs on. I got my CPUs back on for now. I'm just throwing them around, tossing them into the mix. We're in a bear market. Now, we're not in as bad as a previous bear market yet. There's a lot more GPU miners and everything online than previous times, so you know that is affecting a little more, but who knows, depending what happens with price, I still think it's going to drop more, so more hash rate may start coming off the networks. But I'm testing all sorts of multiple ways to mine and see how we can get through this bear market. I will give you numbers later on sometime, but for now, mine away, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out. Thank you for watching my video, and if you haven't seen one of these, be sure to check them out. And if you already seen them, maybe you missed something, might have to watch it one more time. And if you just let it play in the background, that's all right as well. I do try to live stream every weekend as well as every couple days during the week, so be sure to be subscribed so you don't miss that. As always, have a great day.